Yay, Amazon. Let's open it already. Umorder ako ng Sambaini na HA Miracle Cream. Yan. Because my pimps are going crazy. And then this one naman is Miracle Toner. And then the last one is Miracle Acne Clear Foam. Yan, yung tatlo in-order ko. Hi, Daddy! Hi, ka! Ayan. Sana hiyang. Sana hiyang natin to. Anyway, ayan. Kadarating lang na yun. Amazon. Hi, Daddy! What's that? What? Oh no! Nagawa niyang blocks. Like this. Here. There. Oh no! Like this. Yay! Oh no! Open ko, guys. Ito yung Miracle Cream. Ayan. Open natin. Oh, medyo mabigat. Plastic. Plastic container. Yung amoy niya, amoy kating ko. Charot. Hindi, parang ganun. Parang spa. Parang spa. And then this one, ito yung ano to? Toner. Ito yung toner. Miracle Toner. Ayan. Plastic din. Ito yung amoy niya. Ganon din. Parang ka pumunta ng Nuat Thai na spa. Ayan. Pag pumasok ka sa spa. Ganon yung amoy niya. And then this one naman is the cleanser. Ayan. Cleanser. Tube type siya. Yes, silyado din. Ganon din yung scent niya. Hopefully hiyang. Yeah. Ayan. Nilalaro na yung Toy D yung boxes. Go, Toy D. Play with the boxes. I'm gonna use the boxes. You can have them. There, you can have the boxes. Wait, let's close it. Do you know how to open it? Do you know how to open it? You want me to open it? Here, it's open. This one is open too. Lunch ko. Okay. Lunch ko pa lang. It's what time is it? It's 3 p.m. na. Yan, kain lang ng noodles for my lunch. Kain tayo, guys. Beef flavor yata to. Yeah, beef flavor. Rolls. Yeah. Kain tayo. Coffee in the morning. Look for Toy D, what's that? Oh wow, what's that? Pizza! Oh, there's a lot
Ready, get mom.
Upside down, baby. It's upside down. You twist it like that.
Ready, go.
No, baby. It's upside down. Tidy like this. Like this. Tidy. Like this, like this. Like that. Yeah, like that. Very good. Here, use this one. Use this one. Like that. No, no, there. Here. Oh no, careful. What's that? A broccoli! A broccoli! Nope. Oh, what's that? Orange! Wow, what's that? Orange! Oh, what's that? Oh, a corn! Look at the corn. You can peel off
Yeah, I saw
the
that.
thing. Oh, look at the onion, baby. It's new.
Whoa, that's weird.
Para siyang combination of garlic and onion naman. Baliktad, baby. No, upside down. Turn it. This one, upside down.
Two.
Nagkakat si Toydi ng ano. Anong kinakat mo, Toydi? Hindi, nandun siya kanina sa stairs. Baka naiwan niya. What's that, baby? Strawberry. Very good.
Where's the orange here?
No, that's a pumpkin. Can you get the pampunas there? I think it's on
There's
the stairs.
stickers, man.
Ayan. Just keep the stickers. Good morning, guys. Ayan. Tutupi na nilabhan. And then, meron akong ganito, yung tagatanggal ng lint. Nakita ko yung short ni 30. Ayan. Wait, punasan natin yung lens. Ayan. Tingnan yung short ni 30. Dito mahimol-mol, diba? Ayan, hindi yan dumi. Ayan, himol-mol siya. Ito natanggal ko na. Ang galing. Ito niya. Itatanggal niya yung himol-mol. By the way, today is it Wednesday today? Hindi ko na alam yung date. Lagay ko na lang dyan sa screen, guys. Ayan. Ayan, di ba? Ang galing. Ang galing ito product na ito. And then, ito sa harap. Lagay natin. Hindi yan dumi. Ano siya? Lint sa paglalaba. Yan, ganyan. Yan. Kita pala. Yan, try natin. Ang galing nito. Nakakabili. Nabili ko lang sa Amazon. Parang $5 lang yan ito. $4. $5 naman siguro. $4 plus. Ayan. See? Yes. And meron siyang level 3. Pero okay na yung level 1 lang. Ayan lang. So, tupi-tupi muna tayo. Cookies and coffee. Good morning, guys. So today is Thursday, July 18. Yan. Coffee tayo. Yummers, ano to chocolate chip cookies, binig. Yan. Ano to, yung ready-made na ikakat mo na lang and then lalagay mo sa oven. Yan. Ayan. Yan siya. Kain tayo. parcel. Morning guys. So, ay, afternoon na pala dito. Anyway, kukunin ko lang yung parcel ko. Dumating na. Tingnan natin kung alright. Yung box. Saan yung box natin? Yeah, it's here. It's here. It's here guys, ang ating parcel. Ingit sa labas. Ingit sa labas. Ito na ating parcel. Buksan na natin. Galing ko sa TikTok. Ayaw kay cutter kasi bag to. Patamaan ko yung bag. Ganito na lang. Ayan. Ayan. Oh, look. Cute. It's cute. Okay, it's cute. Ayan, ganda. Ayan, sa likod. Yung strap na ganyan. Ganda. Like it. I like it. Dito tayo sa labas ng bahay. Ayun, si Notori at Daddy nag-walk. Ayan, lalapit sila dun sa train. Wala pa yung train pero andyan